Okay, this dissertation this morning wants to begin with drawing a new part in Inventor 2010. And it's very simple, so we're going to go through the steps without a lot of explanation to draw the first part. So here we go. Our first part is going to be a new part. We always start with a new part. There we got a new part. Now I need to bring this screen up so it'll all be on there. Okay, on the new part, we see new file. We need new file. The part we want to do is a standard IPT part. So we're going to click that, and then we're going to go down here and click OK to move my little thing down a bit. Okay, but you didn't see that. But anyhow, I clicked OK. Now we have our part graph screen. This is our part that we're going to make. It has to be configured in a screen. And this screen, then we'll just bring him over here. I'll bring him down here a little bit. And we see now that we have 3 by 2. So our grid, first, we want to make it so everything's gonna fit properly on our screen. So now it's 3 by 2. So now our part, we need to get rectangular to start with because our part's a square block of steel. We're gonna whittle this out. Okay, there we can see our plus sign, our little yellow dot, but when we turn down there, it turns green. That means it's hit dead nuts. It is 3 placements right on the money, 3 decimal places. Okay, we need to go over 3 and up 2. Well, there's 3, there's 3.5, whoops, okay, there's 3, and there's 3, not right. Okay, there's 3 and 2. You can't make a mistake because the computer's smarter than you are. Okay, my mouse. I need to adjust my mouse. There we are. 3 by 2. Dead on. Click. Part simulation is done. Let's go up here and finish sketch. Click finish sketch. It goes to ISO. ISO tells us that this is what we've got drawn and all of its 3D configurations. Good. So we go over here and we click right click. We go extrude because we're going to extrude something on this sketch. You do a sketch. You close sketch, you extrude it on the sketch, and you finish there, and then you draw a new sketch and do something else. Okay, our part, we need our part now. In this case, let me put this up here too. Okay, so everybody can see it. Well, we can use this over here. Well, we can do either one of them. I like this because it's always on the screen. The other one's always somewhere else. So we see now we want a 1/2 inch. So let's do that first. Let's do 0.5. I always do it that way so I make sure that I got my point in there. It's not 5 inches. Okay, we see it flip back. That's great. And our front plane, this is our front plane where the dot is. And it's pointing out, not through it. Okay, now what we want to do now is actually go here and we want to change back. See there? It flipped back. So now this is our front plane, there where the dot is, and we want that to be a 1/2 inch thick, and it looks good. So we can go here, and we can go here and look and right click and hit our check mark. Done deal. Hey, wasn't hard. Okay, now this surface here we want to do some whittling on with our machine tools. CNC machine tools. Okay, so what we're going to do is hit right click, and what we're going to do now is new sketch. Every time you have a part finished and you want to do something to that part, just new sketch. Dumb simple. I mean, give me a break. Okay, what do we want to do now? We see in our sketch here that the scientists and engineers gave us. We have a little rectangle cut out in the corner. Let's go get him. Well, we go up and get rectangle. And we come up here. It says 25 inches. What do we got? Y 25 inches. Dead on. Okay, click. That's where we're going to start. We want to go over now. And what's it say? 3/4 over and 50 up. Okay, 3/4 over. Done on. 50 up. Done on. Can't be wrong. We make millions of mistakes in America. You can't do it with Inventor unless you're stupid. That's it. That's the end of that line. Okay, now we go up here and we see we need a notch in the corner. Let's get our notch in the corner. Where are we going to go up? 120. See, the drawing was dimensioned properly because every dimension we need, we got it. We don't have to figure, think, or nothing. If you do that, you make a mistake. Everybody makes mistakes. If I got a drawing on there 1.25 and I don't do 1.25, get my check and fire me. Okay, 1.25, hit it. Let's go up. We know it's right. We're going to go up there. Says 3/4 of an inch. Do it. We're at the corner. Perfect. Okay, that's one line. Now we want to do another line, so we click again. We're going to do another line. What do we want to do? 1.25 over. Okay, we'll go over to 1.25 over. I mean, it don't get any harder than that, guys. I'm telling you. All the drawings we've been doing all along are purely stupidity. Okay, 1.25 over, 2 inches up. We know it's right. So we click again. Now we're going to need another line. We don't have to figure the angle, inclination. We don't have to figure nothing. We just click it and go. Now there it is. That one's done. Okay. I think we can do this. Yeah, we can continue on. I don't know. I don't like to do that. Because I like that finished. I want that totally finished. I want to get a new line. And I'm coming up here. I always go 90 degrees because Pythagorean theorems can't be wrong. Now 90 degrees and your diagonals figured automatically because the two legs are adjacent. Legs are dimensioned properly. The angle of inclination gotta work. Pythagorean theorem never fails. Okay, now let's see what we want here. Now we want up our dimension on the drawing. It says 1.5 inches up. Let's go 1.5 inches up. Bonk. 3 inches over. Bonk. Now, click. Now let's go up to the corner. We know that's where we want to go because our steel runs out up there. We can't make new steel. Okay, now we go over. Oh, wait. Okay, we got that one done. Now we got to click again to go over. Because this has got to go over 7/100ths of an inch. 7,500. 7,500. Okay, we're looking at it. Dead. Good. Click again. All right, now we come down to here. When the green dot means it is 0, 0, 0 dead nuts. Right on. There it is. Done. Okay, so that little part's finished. Oh, darn, we got a circle. Well, geez. Let's do a circle. Circle. All right, we go up and get circle. We come back. Oh, we're a circle. Our drawing shows it's 2 inches over and 1 inch up. Well, let's just pick a spot here. 2 inches over and 1 inch up. Not right. 2 inches over, 1 inch up. Dead on. Can't be wrong. There it says. Computer's got 3 decimals. You got none. Okay. Now, what, we have 7,500? No, we want 1 inch. Okay, 1 inch. There it is. Quit. Done deal, Jack. All right. Looks good. We're done with that. We are looking at our drawing. Every dimension is correct. Every item on every element, every item is on the drawing correctly, and we can hit escape and drop out. Once we drop out of there, we want to finish sketch. Every time, get done with the drawing, finish sketch. We're finished with it. But now, we got to extrude. Okay, we come over here, and we click on right click, and we go exclude. Okay, little drawing over here pops up. I like this little drawing over here because I'm always right on the project looking at it very strenuously. Okay, we want to make this one like, let's go up here and just make this 1.5 inches so we know we cut through and we didn't leave a hairline on the other side. Because sometimes pixels little crazy. Okay, what do we want to do here? We want to do a cut. So we want to do direction number 2. Okay, direction number 2 gives us a cut. And there's our cut. Okay, it looks good. And now it says we got to... No, we don't have a problem. We got to select. I'm sorry. Now we got to select. Okay, what do we want to select? That's highlighted. Let's select that. That's highlighted. Let's select that. That's highlighted. No! Whoa! No. Up here, quick. That's highlighted. Select. Let's go over here and get this one. That's highlighted. Select. Okay, now we look here. We can go over here and click OK. But we're on... over here, we're on extend. Whoa, mama. Wait, I've got back. Ah, ooh, okay, we got a little Microsoft little problem. Now, see, here's a, see there, they're solid, but when I click there, they're hollowed. Let's go back here. Let's see what our little menu over here does, because I always use this. We got back. Oh, yeah, okay. Sorry. So sometimes you got to watch yourself. When you do back, it doesn't do cut. You got to make sure here you got cut. Ah, done deal, Jack. Click. Yep. Sign out, pick up your check, go home. Done deal, baby. That's all. See ya.